Just a minute.
Hang on.
That's a thing. You see, I paint up for Christmas, man. So I go on.
Now watch that.
Mm-hmm.
I send money. The woman for yours, she send money come for me start out it. So me get some workman put money.
Okay.
Which remember me did talk to you before about the partner money?
Yes.
Alright. She did say me can come back and check her. So me will send my son but ask her if me can get here now. Because I know say you well Auntie.
Yes, because Christmas I come and I wait long.
You wait long enough.
Yes.
Thanks for your time.
Alright.
Yeah man.
Well, as soon as I get here, make me know.
Yeah man, thanks for your time.
Yeah man, that good man.
Alright.
Yes.
Big boy.
Mommy?
You sit down on the dirty place running so they do.
Mommy, your son at round the front, mommy, and we want to play around and so.
On the cold place to catch up cold.
I don't catch up on cold, mommy.
You don't understand say you put me in too much trouble. The amount of trouble you put me in right now. I don't know what I'm going to do. Because while I pass up this up by a woman, Shirley, and I owe me money fake of you. You're going to push down people, pick me and broke them, and now me they pass, she they call me, they ask me for your money. Big boy, me no have no money. I the partner money me I depend on. Come go on over Navalette I'd go look if you see her and ask her if me can get me draw now. Because she tell me some more that get it. Go on over the to her. Get up man, get up off a cold place, because you're going like you wash for your clothes them. You start work now and they buy soap and stick on me no know about that. You're there on your own. You must have forgot your age. Remember say you're 10. Stop playing in the dirt. You're little, but your age is 10 and you must have sense. 10-year-old pick me and sense and know so they know if you play in the dirt and they go on cold place. Go on, can you soon catch up germs? Go on now, you're so idle. Go along man, near wait for you.
Mommy, look here, mommy.
Me you figure along. Me send you out to turn up about mommy, you idiot. Sure.
Snablet! Snablet!
Oh, sir. The mother start, you know. You have license registration for that license?
Yeah, man, it's straight, man.
Registration, everything alright, Panny?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
If government see you on the road, if you say all is well, what that, Panny? 2020, hey, watch it, you know. Make sure the government have no problem with you, you know.
Oh, go on.
So, may I say, alright. I have some blow live, right?
Yeah, yes, officer.
Alright, guess what now? Because I guess I may pick up a piece of food, you know. Because blow if you get free up, you don't know your system set, you know what I mean? Money not run too tough, so I have to find for myself, you know what I mean? So you what? If you pick up a food, I blow left in that place. So more you follow me, because at the end of the day, I don't want no fees, so I'm a thief. You understand me? I say, because based upon what I go on, I don't trust nobody still in the butt. But you show me which part blow spot there. Come in, come show me which part blow spot. No, blow spot. I'm going to pick up the money. So wait, this is a blow spot, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You can go there, sir. Go over there. Ah. She said, right, Teddy. Yeah, sir. Wait. Right, just stay right there, sir. Yeah, right there, sir. Yeah. No. Contact police. Chief judge. Sorry, please. Yeah. Squad, here we go on, you know. Officer Smiley here, you know. Yeah. Why you do me a small favor? Why you put on blow up on the phone? Yeah, because you're down there right now, right? Yeah, man. Put her up on the phone, I say I can get contact. Because we have to sort out one situation. Yeah. Hurry up, too. Yeah, man. Everything good. Yeah, blow. We there the house, you know, but me not say nothing. Where you say something then? Run her back. Close to the black. The one that chip up. Or what? Oh, chip up it through. Alright, so underneath. Alright, chip up black. I take the money, did it. Alright, my girl. Yeah, man, it's there. Everything there. Yeah, man. Here we go now. Give back Scotty your phone, because you're good to go, you know. Yeah, man. You're cooperating good with the officer. I like that. I respect that. Yes, Officer Smiley is very happy. You know what I mean? That's why they call me Officer Smiley. So when you do good deeds, I make sure you're happy. Alright? So give back Squaddy the phone right now, please. Thank you very much. Yes, Squaddy. Here we go now. Everything good to go. So basically, she never do nothing still like that. So here we go, just set her free. You know what I mean? Yeah, and give her a 5 bills, make she buy one cocoa bread and patty or something. You know what I mean? Something to eat. Yeah, because she love me. Yeah, man. I want chubby or one little bag juice or something. So good to go. So let me talk to you because all is well. Alright, sir? Yeah, man. Respect Squaddy. Alright, manners. Yeah, man, so you are going now. Thank you for cooperating with the police. You know. My name is Officer Smiley. And you did a good job. But guess what now? Now make me see up on the road because you talk about the vehicle, the bike, look like things are going with it. 2020 and in 2021. Don't let me send them boy for you, but have a good day.
Chucky! I'm on the sleep.
Yeah.
Chucky!
Alright now blow, I know say I let you go do. Cause I look a bit of money you give me still. I work with it still, I let you go still, you know? Blow, the one I have to come back for you, yeah?
I'm telling you, man, officer, that soft, man. How are you?
Alright.
Yo, I don't know, say I'm running off the road now, right?
Yeah.
Give me.
You better can my things come, big sister blow come.
Who?
Blow come, and that me make you know.
Blow.
How much are you?
I'm going to me.
Good man, I can't keep man when he come to share we play with them.
I look something feed, I'm hungry.
You know, but again. Blow, we beat up here. Oh, that
blow, play.
Big sister come and see.
And in Gert, you feel like you can't move.
I don't know body name Blow.
Auntie Chantel.
Yes, you know the big boy, he go look for you.
Big boy.
Yes.
Alright, me soon come back, yeah?
Alright.
I'm like this, so I know what.
I'm so healthy, sister. How am I doing? Yo, I don't know hug up thing, you know. Yo, no food around there.
Yes, sister.
Alright.
Alright, just go at the shop, get something to eat. Can't believe your mother left you here without any food.
Alright, Auntie.
Don't call me Auntie. I barely know your mother, so she just let you here for a little while. I'm keeping an eye on you.
Yes, Auntie.
Go get something to eat.
Yes, Auntie. Big boy, where you run so far?
Oh yeah, do peso.
Where you are, do up yourself?
Around the road me I come from.
I tell your mother.
Take your finger out of your mouth.
Left me now.
Man put something in your mouth. You're hungry, you look so hungry like you're hungry.
Me no hungry.
I get some. Go over the bushes, son.
Come now. Down.
Wait now. Wait. Something else. Come on. You like it?
So sister, where you go?
Now go back and down forward back.
Alright, take care. Watch, see you on the road here.
Alright, brother. What happened to me?
Me hear what happened to you, you know?
Yeah, the boy, big boy, is not set me up, man. But anytime I hold him, I tear off his face.
You have a tear off in your face and your face too big. Me can't believe, you know.
Me say after me carry the boy over the house, girl. Cause me see the boy, you know, me like the boy, you know. And me carry the boy over the house, girl. The boy have me over there, they call like me an idiot. When me turn on, the boy run gone, tearing shot, go call police for me. Me say after I want to get somebody, boy somebody good when me have underneath me, no girl.
Oh, God.
Me say, anytime I hold him, me a tear off his face.
But when I hear you two, you want to give him somebody good. I saw you big. I saw you big. The big boy don't have no manners. But anyways, anytime you and you know good fun depend this fighting thing. But whenever you fight him, call me. Call me, you hear?
Alright, mama, no say 40, 39 good.
Yeah, you pick it on a big door.
So you get a nigga taxi already? Alright. Miss Cheryl!
What going?
Burn it down. Where boy, black boy there?
You know it's a black boy gone up and father.
Boy rough. Yeah. When soon come back though?
Me know 100% sure yet, you know, me have to find out from his father.
Alright.
I want to look at you them want to watch a plum tree.
Okay, okay.
But last time I give him the job to watch a plum tree, I want to look at change off it because I take a whole of the plum them and give it to one girl. But then I give it 2 plum and give it 2 dozen.
You're out of the business that.
But I know how the thing go with the young girl them still. When I see her, because when I young, you know, I did kind of fool. I take all of my lunch money, give to my girlfriend them at school, you know.
Well, maybe the same thing him a do you know.
So I can't really blame the boy. Boy is straight and funny is straight. But I'll give him a piece of money when he come back still because I'll should be there punish him.
That are the right thing that you do. Yeah man, you have to learn a lesson.
Yeah, boy, the plum up on the last lap you know, so I just try secure it.
No, you can't do that. So you have to just do what you have to do.
You know what I mean? But you're good though.
Yeah man, I take care.
Alright, me soon check your back there.
Alright sir, thank you.
Must say me soon I next boy them. Alright.
Can borrow a bicycle and go look for big boy? I'm tired.
No.
Me buy a couple lollipops.
Say please.
Please?
No, spell please.
Me I go last a word.
Spell bicycle. And now I get to give me bicycle.
BY bicycle. Right. That's how we
No mash up, you know.
You break?
Mm-mm.
Me a push start now. Oh you move so. Hold on.
Wait there. But me never seen no big boy. How it take so long? I don't understand how it take so long. Hold on. That boy, big boy, no man. Always the idle pan road. Anywhere me send him, he have to go and be trouble. Watch him here, man. See how long me send him out? Alright. Inside your man, I'm gonna show you. What man is that bill can watch me.
What are you doing here? I sent you by the shop and I found you here in the grass with this boy.
I shop me and look for Auntie, but me can't find any, and he said whether show me shop.
You trying to get me in trouble or what?
No, Auntie.
I'm gonna send you back to your mother.
Don't send me back to my mother, please.
Go home.
It's a big boy.
Alright. Miss, nobody liquor now, my girlfriend.
Where? Alright, Rasta. Yeah. And that's how you're there. I live life. What you call me? Chucky. Come here, Chucky. Come here. Me don't like your style.
Yo.
You know what I mean? You're shake cutie. When we share one night, we can never. And not because you put it on the bed, you could have called me.
Tell some my boss said if I chat with my girlfriend. Yo, she bad, you know?
I mean, if I tell you, all the night one time she give me a golden shower. What did they do? No talk. What did they do?
Me never did that do nothing. Shit. Me just lay down in her lap.
If I want to book down there, so you know, you see where she hide it? Look on that book here. It's bad. You see it? I feel me type of girl in there.
Kira just do that one to me.
What you say?
We Rasta.
Where she live now?
She did up by Rasta still.
By Rasta? Alright, I'll find a fall to sleep up there.
The one there.
Take one chicken food for me.
Come here. You know I'm gonna send you back to your mother.
Don't send me back to my mother, please.
Can't believe I found you out there with that boy. I send you to the shop.
When you tell me say I'm going to show me which party shop there.
Come on, go home.
Kira,
Auntie Candy.
me tell you, say your mama they tell lies. Me's not your auntie, but anyway. Where you do up here, so?
I go shop.
I just found her lying in the grass with that big boy.
Big boy?
Yeah.
You know say me a big boy mother?
You're a big boy's mother?
Yes. So what you say, big boy over the bush?
Yeah, with his friend.
And she?
I just left him. He's still there.
So she did over there with them?
Exactly.
I won't know over the bush there, do Kira.
No, Auntie Candy, a shopping go show me.
So shop there over there, so?
I don't know.
You don't know? So anything man tell you say, you believe them and go look. And if them will kill you, you gone too. At that time, if I never want thing, I give you a boss ass. But two, wait, hold on. Me they go over there, so. Let me go catch you one big boy.
No, me no want.
No, hold on, buddy. Me see daddy in a room with the whole heap of man, so me know his style him already. You learn it. Your mommy now no man down there, so learn it.
Well, cutie, show me them already. Oh, Kira, do that one to me.
Cutie never do none when there. It's boring.
I like all of them. I like all of them.
You know that if you tap it or if you go to church.
I got no church. I come over here this morning, come call you, and you never over.
No man, keep it no man, what you do? Take up your back. Me say, listen, that's why I go and look for you now. Because I know there's something you up to make you come call me. I like your style.
I'll go buy some.
Wow, look at girl.
Give me a ride up.
No.
Give me a ride up.
You have to carry it back.
Give me a ride up.
No. No. BM.
Give me a ride.
No, you do. BM. No, big boy. Big boy, BM, no.
Give me a ride up.
BM.
Yeah, I know I chat to you again.
But in my bicycle, me give you a fight. No.
But me a friend.
You have to understand. Remember you can't keep over here and I don't get a chance.
Kira, I'm a girlfriend, Chucky.
If you share.
No, you're mad. Somebody me know share my girlfriend.
Woman be share. Me tell you.
Mommy! You dey run? You dey... Oi! Where you get this book here from?
I don't feel the book, mommy, a Chucky book.
What is?
Mommy, a Chucky book.
A lie.
Where you get the book from?
A lie. Auntie, a lie. A big boy me see with him and Kira up here.
Chucky.
Mommy,
No,
a lie.
woman. Yeah.
That boy, don't tell her that.
Chucky,
You want to
you don't want to hear nothing from you, you know?
No,
Because
believe.
big boy bad, but your head broke him out too.
No.
Chucky, you better not make me hold you. Big boy, where you get that dirty book there from? Little pitney like you not supposed to look on them, the nastiness there. Why shut up your mouth and you hear me and chat and go on, man?
Sorry.
Mommy, me never look in there, mommy.
Where you get that the nasty kind of book there from?
Chucky just give me.
For your age, not looking a boy. Shut your mouth and on. For your kind of age where you have 10-year-old. Chucky, you are how much? You look like 11. What not do with this kind of nasty book here?
Chucky, Miss.
An adult book that you're not supposed to look in there, big boy.
But mommy, Cutie do it.
Hold on there.
Cutie do it something in there, mommy.
You ask about Cutie? No one know about the partner money when me send you about. When me send you about, no partner money.
Mommy, you lady no around them, mommy.
Me send you about the partner money. Who you go to?
Me go to Nablet, mommy, and Nablet no around there.
So, me send you out. How long? How long? Big boy, me have you up to years, so. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Mommy, please, mommy.
Big boy, me can't take it no more. Me have you up to years, so.
Auntie no beating you, rain or fall. Carrying down go beat.
Don't boy business. You look like you cannot even brush your teeth from money. Me a
No,
chat to you.
see
You not
me
no
that
man.
job.
Let it go.
Mommy,
Big boy, Mr. Phil, let go the belt. Let it go, else you going worse for you tonight when we hold in night.
Let it go, no big boy, and
Let
take
it go.
Let it go and
Let it
take
go.
it, leak.
mommy, please,
You know, big
And
enough.
I wanna do okay, so by the way. Let my belt.
Rain a job. Take it
Let it
now.
go.
mommy, I go beat me.
Let it go. Then the kind of nastiness the way I look on. You know, feel you
True.
deserve lick.
I'm telling you to go to church and then
You
say,
hear
nah,
the
go to
that's
church.
true, you forget lick. We don't in here. We don't in here. Me say that you not bless the partner money. You up here look for a nasty book.
You know
Wait till I hold you. But up here look for a dirty book. You come like a dirty pooper. No. Left out my shop. No. Yes. Get me chicken and chips.
Where you about to fit them for? I'm fitting them in.
You're a bad girl from Flank. How you feel, say? Hey, I'm going to fire something on this. Alright, come on. That's a fast.
So I can't get nervous. So I can't get up, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to go to my Flank. I don't know about me.
I mean, I'm so tired of this shop.
Alright.
Paradise Station, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right?
But never see a cutie. One and nice. Fire. This one big cow for a plum tree and eat off a plum them.
Cow can't climb a tree, boy.
In there right underneath you eat off a tree.
We can go out and can eat. As long as nobody don't climb it. Nobody are climbing. People stay for funny.
One boy around there studied up there.
Alright, this one work this year, man. This one work for it.
Mommy, no food not today. I'm hungry, mommy. I'm hungry.
How much do you eat from morning?
Mommy, I one time I eat from morning, mommy.
Where you want to eat?
KFC. Mommy, a long
Me
time
don't have no money.
Mommy, last time you say you have to buy KFC, you never buy it, mommy. Mommy, you know, say I love you, you know, mommy.
You say,
I
you love me for true. When me have money, me will buy.
So, mommy, I go eat, mommy.
Me can get some sugar and water and piece of bread.
I don't want sugar and water.
Eat what me have. Me can't give what me not have.
But my father, you get money from foreign, mommy.
When?
You go get money.
I say that.
You don't have a bank account.
Big boy. And when you and your father have a conversation about me, you know if him they give me no money for you.
But mommy, you want to bank, you can go to the bank and get the money out of it.
Big boy. The one little money when me go get from your idiot papa we no like who can no want mine you. I hit me take and pay the people them. Me not even pay them the whole life. Pay your broken people them in the hand.
But mommy,
me not have no more money. Piece of bread, some sugar and water. That me have. I hit them. Yeah.
A long time I don't see you now, about 3 to 4 years. But the AI that we have, I can't figure it out. What go on?
Yeah, just come off it. Don't find out me here, you know.
You come back down?
Yes, so I come look for candy.
And where you do it now? Because we are about 16 and now, you know. Then you will have clear 18, how will they let you out?
I should be kind of the baby myself, you know.
They change?
Yeah. So they say, alright. Can you get a chance?
Man, they're afraid up there, so I get rid of you, send it down here, you know.
No man, they're not afraid of me. They don't say, for me I behave myself, they don't give me a chance home with my mother.
Yeah, so if I get a problem, then take care of it.
Yeah. So then go check for me, say if me I behave myself or whatever.
So you go behave yourself?
Yes.
Because the last thing we go along with, you know, a problem, I know them that about it. I know. But you go on, candy in there. But there you do, I'm glad to see you in a one piece. You know what I mean?
Alright.
And the good thing they keep you up there because you have fit me already.
Sure.
You have breed already.
Auntie Candy.
Hello.
Auntie Candy.
What's going on? How when you come?
From yesterday.
From yesterday. Where you want now?
We come to tell about your daughter. Then I'm killing me the couple of cops then. I'm here to protect her, you know. I'm here to protect her.
My daughter.
Yeah?
You sure say you protect my daughter up there?
Yes. Then gang her and I'm me have to defend her.
Oh. So you come about differently. Thanks for take care of me like my daughter for me. I'm my one daughter. Thank you very much. And a matter of fact, your mama tell us if you call me auntie. I like she at them. Me's not your auntie. She too lie. But you can say Candy or Miss Candy. Come here, no size.
Miss Candy?
Yes, ma'am. What you say?
Can I get $100, please?
Me don't have no money. The one piece of money we may have, Me have to take he go pay one woman up there so in picking hand. We broke, fake a big boy. Right now me broke and me not have no money.
Please no, like how me protect your daughter up a cops.
Mommy, how would that them, mommy?
You know remember?
No.
When boy name when me go catch up there so the ramp pretty rough. You know remember? I tell you if you no ramp with you so I'm bigger than you. I ain't sister, you remember him?
You know remember me?
Who you?
I'm bully sister, blow. Remember we used to play up from we small. And me see him one man when two men got cops and come back so me get bigger.
How you eat up to make you fat so?
Why? I mean, I eat not much in a beer water and bread, then dry bread, then they give me up there.
You know,
look at the water they for drink.
You know, look like I help you help for me that you know when them are beating up. You like you beat her up and take away her food coming. I understand how you big so.
Hey, mommy. Ready? Alright. Hands come on, hands band on. Yo, Christopher, remember say I'm here this woman, no give me ball.
That come like I'm in the Jamaican match. Basketball.
Yo, come take me hands on man.
And a basketball. You can't go.
Yo, come on, man. Why? Kick it ball around it. Whenever they run back, they'll kick it. The ball goes into my ticket. I bet they never run back, they'll kick it. But you go like it, like we're on board. That's why you got up. It's off right now. I'm telling you, dear. Rush it now. You. What are you doing? Down. Sit there. Tap it. Sit there now. Yeah, man. What can I say? Why did I go grab him? I want to jump. Jump on the other jump. Play ball. I'm going to Bye-bye.
Yo.
When you come back?
What about that? I pray.
But there, you good?
No lie, me good to you. My big boy there.
The last time you rape big boy, me not see him. Big boy tell me see you rape him.
Me rape him after you set me up.
I know.
You say anytime me hold him, remember me tell me I mash up in face.
Gone over and he come check me and he gone over there. You know over there.
Alright, that's a 40.
Right. Yeah. Go play ball. No mind that. Over here, so. Yeah, back. Boy, I will really let out blow. I saw them fool. Yeah. Sorry for big boy. Come on, we can't help my friend. Come. Play ball in God. Hungry, yeah? Hungry, play ball. Don't take up no girls to the young. Get to the old. Get to the old. Get to the about 18, 20. Alright, Mark! Yeah!
set up. Eh? You know, let me tell you, I'm gonna say, boy, if you get some good, you really set me up, boy. Eh? Eh? Come on, boy. Over there with that gun now. Are you going court now? You going court now? Come on, boy. Show you something. Relax now. Come on, boy. Come on. Are you court to 20 now, boy? You'll be over there like an idiot. Eh? Set me up. Come on. Wow, good. Eh? Come on, boy. Come on. Murder! You have to 20 now. Come on, boy. Officer, please. Officer, please.
Hello, I'm gonna tell you something. Government now pay me enough, you know. Blow. Are your time to go? Yeah, man. Let up on that.
Get up. Come on, police!
Hold him, bro! Hold him, bro!
All the best. Rope them damn big boy.
I am mash up his up. Auntie, you're so tired.
No, do me.
You sure it's not there?
No, mommy, I open the road them any day. Them I keep one church service up the sun. They went in that crossroad and we did up there.
You sure say alright, I will get that here.
Auntie Jules, give me. You left you up.
I buy one new keyboard for you.
Yes! You know, mommy. You know, like, mommy, one of them, how we work, mommy.
You have to go learn how to work it. You don't understand how to work it, so me go buy a box. Me left the keyboard, so me go back go buy it for you.
So mommy, I box a look?
Yes, look on this and learn the letter them with the pan. Which part your left hand use and your right hand use, and then me go back for your keyboard. Me not buy it for you, man. Me just buy this first so you can understand it. Remember say 2 and you have to know which letter to use over here so and which hand use over there so.
Mommy. But mommy, this me think keyboard in there.
By the way, give me it.
Mom,
what you smell so?
How me smell?
No. Hold on.
I beard already, mommy. What me smell?
Stand up. Nothing. You smell so. You smell like you know me at all. How you did that though?
Me never did that.
You smell like something. You smell like a something. Where you when they do? Smell like you do something, man.
Mommy, me never did that. No.
You smell like when they do something. Tell me the truth. Shut up, boy. You see, if you not tell me the truth, me I go beat you. And if you tell me the truth, me not go beat you. What you when they do? You smell like something. You smell like you when they do something.
Me never did that, nothing, mommy.
Oi. Look in at me eye them. Come know you lie. Look in there and tell me the truth. Yes, tell me the truth. Because you love tell too much lie. You smell like something. What you when they do?
Mommy,
you stammer now.
I pass, mommy, and blow, see me, and he hold me some, mommy. He hold me so, and he tell me, say, he might go do something where I pass, I teach him up there, some, mommy, and I never like him, mommy, and he hold me some, mommy.
When you hold yourself, what do you mean you hold yourself? What you do to you?
And he take out me something, mommy.
He take out your something?
Yes.
So we go over there now. What you say?
He run down with me, do something, mommy. Charlotte, mommy, I want to sleep.
You want to sleep?
Yes.
Wait, so you couldn't holler out for me or call somebody? When can you go?
Mommy, up there saying can we go, mommy, and the police officer smile, they did a pass, mommy, and me tell himself he help me, mommy, and he look, and he shoot half of me, mommy, and we have to run, and he don't want to help me, and he tell himself he not get paid because the police no.
So the police no help you none at all?
He say not help me because he not get no pay.
Big boy, you see if you not tell me the truth, me I go fee belt and me I go beat you.
Mommy, me never did that, mommy. I want fire like they light up the sun, mommy.
How long me they ask you? How you smell so? Where when they do? You know want to
mommy, I want fire, they light up the sun, mommy, and me I go in there and the smoke catch me clothes. Mommy, please, mommy, me never do that.
Talk now, before me get mad in ya.
Mommy.
Me need to know what happened to you, why you smell like that.
Blow, mommy, hug me up and can't go where I never really want to do it still, but it did feel good, mommy. I mean, can you do something where pastor teach me feel good?
You tell me the truth or what?
Mommy, listen now, mommy. Mommy, I'm see officer smile here come from over a woman yard, mommy, and he ask him to save me, mommy, and he said he nah save me because the police, he nah get as much money from the police force. I mean, I beg him now, mommy. Him man be the on the ground, mommy, and I beg him and he no help me, mommy.
That wicked man. Anyway, it's like how you tell me the truth, me nah go bother beat you. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
You don't smell so good, so go on in go bathe now. And anytime you feel no kind of funny way, anyway at all, you come to me, come talk to me about it.
Me no feel funny, mommy. Don't feel straight. Me no feel funny, mommy. Me straight, mommy. Your son straight.
Not straight?
No, mommy.
Make sure you're not lean. Go and go bathe. Anytime you want to talk to me about nothing at all, come to me personally, no go to nobody, no do it again.
We can have 2 girls, mommy.
Go and go bathe. I know I'm licking your head. About 2 girlfriends. Can't even smell girlfriend.
No, woman. boy. Yeah. You take long to answer.
Mr. Today blow, me bust up, me slip, me shorts, run so, my shorts, tear out, me run like a man.
Oh, you get the ball.
Where we get it from?
You see a Rasta girl, the pretty one.
No, you see?
Go play ball tomorrow. Nine ball. First thing 9 morning.
You see?
Go.
Give me a try,
Want me to kick you away? I'm a dog fuck, kick you away, go and play with the truck. Me, I go grab me here, go play with my ball.
Alright, man, I'll eat some food.
Rasta.
How are you?
I'm fine, you?
I'm alright.
Oh, everything.
So, where is your friend?
In Ghana, if his mother's stricken now, and my father they are jail.
Your father's in jail. Alright.
So I'm trying to do the new dance. They have one dance in the dirt, but I'm doing the ground.
The ground?
Yeah.
What's that? Show me.
The ground, look. Do the ground. Do the ground, do the ground, do the ground. Yeah, do the ground.
Yeah.
Do the ground, do the ground, do the ground. Yeah. So where you going?
Just walking around.
In this time of the hours?
Why not?
You be a good man, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Around here?
Yeah, that's how they don't want them to rob you. You have knife?
Sure.
Okay, then you're safe.
Alright.
Me can't me go and dance, okay?
You practice with the ball?
Yeah, but it tired me out.
So you ready for the competition?
No, yeah. Tomorrow me and big boy will play ball, but I feel tired. Me don't know if me going to make it.
Alright. Then tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Alright.
No run, man. No run, man.
When you come.
How will you come, man? Something good, man. What a time when you send me to jail, me a must-done friend now, man.
Alright, yes, I know that you are my father.
You're good, man. Let's go on dance. So come here.
That is change, God, thank you. I'm frightened. I'm frightened.
Yeah, me talk to Officer Smiley. Yeah, man, are you this? The boy. The boy just thief one big buckle of rum from me. Everything the man a thief out of the house. He man want to come up to your way, you know, with it, you know. Lock him up, man. Just like what him do to me, just lock him up, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, lock him up, man. Alright. Yeah, man.
I'm frightened. Grandpa, you see? I'm frightened.
Alright. Bring this go up the road for me. And come back.
Up the road?
Yeah, man.
Alright, Daddy. Cool.
Somebody will come collect it, man. Just go and go.
You can't see me. Say, Daddy.
Yeah, man.
You can't jump again, Daddy. So,
Hello, sir.
Officer Smiley.
You name Chucky, right?
Yeah, me see one the backup.
What is there? What is there?
Huh?
What is there? Where get it from?
I'll let me get this car and go get some money.
Get it to go get. Let me tell you something. I have been called and them say you thief this rum.
Me not thief no rum.
Hello, hey. What do you mean say you thief no rum?
And my father just give me a while ago.
Give you rum for go do what?
Figure this. You have to know who me.
You think I'm rubbing alcohol this? Eh? You think that's something when you're sick you rub your head? Eh?
Well,
you know what this is adult thing. How old is it? How old are you? I said how old are you?
Me 11, sir. Me a good youth.
Good youth when? When you a good youth?
Eh? Let me help you back up.
So you claim say you want back up? You want to go back up here, yeah?
That is set you up.
Set you up? Eh? That you said? You said, man. Hold on now. Prison bud!
Daddy, save me up.
Like father, like son. Prison board will not be. This a Lena, this a damn Lena. Hello, top. Hey, I hear me, man. I'm in charge, yeah, sir. Hello, sir.
Daddy.
Are you your son, this, right? I am this. I thought, hey, I'm going to know what I want to see. Are you?
Yeah, man.
Daddy, I'm
Get him.
your man.
Yeah, man.
We good.
Good one. You have to go lock up somebody, you know.
Yeah, man.
Lock him up?
Yeah, man.
Hello. Stop it weekly. You work. Get up, man.
You always a jail. See, your time.
Your time.
Daddy, don't behave.
You're going to behave. Talk to the
We
police.
can't go and cop too much man down there,
No, man,
Daddy.
don't worry about it, man.
Talk to the police.
They're going to beat you down there. You need proper
Officer.
correction. You know what I mean?
Officer.
Don't worry about
You
it,
do so much now, man.
Yeah, man. Come
How
in.
much you do now, man? Go on with him.
No, Daddy, just beg for me now. Beg for me.
As a matter of fact.
Nah, need that game.
As a matter, get up, man. Get up.
Nah, need.
See, it's like how the system now pay me. No money now making us. So here I go on. You see you?
Yeah.
I realize that this corner here is a lot of trouble. You creating it with all this damn big boy over there, sir. If I can't see Candy look
I'm
more.
always an influence.
Yeah? So guess what now? Me I give you a chance today.
Yeah.
You have to work it out with him now. You me I talk to.
Yeah, Daddy. And time, man, no, Daddy.
Are you me I talk to?
Alright, we make peace, man.
Make sure you make peace. You know
We
what I
make
mean?
peace.
Make peace now! Yeah, man, make peace, man. I guess I know. You see, if we're gonna work it out, me I go try. If you say me can, you know what I mean, me can walk over this and if Candy over this, so me go there close by.
Never hear him. All you do is drink rum.
Know yourself, man. This is rum. You know what I mean? Them guys that with them raising me, you know, not my style, but me alright with this. So guess what now? It's because they don't pay me enough down, so me hold on to this. So I work out the situation, alright? My name is Officer Smiley. I'm out right now.
Angry yourself, man. System can mash up if more.
Yeah, man. You, Daddy, you know, we do that.
Just I give you some way you do to me, you understand? Go in, man. May you good now, though.
Nearly do upset.
Go yourself, man. You can't get a good rest now.
Candy?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. How you doing, ma'am? My name is Officer Smiley, you know. I know you might be familiar with my face a little bit. I see you, around the place and admire the way you deal with the situation because, yeah. But I wanted to have a conversation with your son, big boy. Nothing too serious.
I trouble my son,
No, man. No, good man. He's a very good boy, and me as a police officer, you know what I mean, nice role model for you, you know what I mean. I see you as a single parent. Don't know if you want to, take it a little further. But at the end of the day, for today, I just wanted to talk to him.
I want to know where my son in there for trouble in him.
Come on.
Because if you just call my son and tell the police call him, just so. If you go with my son.
No going on. It's just a simple conversation, and then I leave the premises. You know what I mean?
Well, then go out and talk to my son there, talk to him right in front of me.
Right in front of you?
Right in front of me. You can't carry him go away, but you're not lock up my son. I don't know if a liar they tell me or you try to con me or whatever. Big boy!
Big boy! Come here, big boy!
The police will love last son.
Yeah, I'm Officer Smiley.
Big boy! Come here. I don't understand how you come in my yard and tell me so you want to talk to my son, but you don't want to talk to me.
Big boy, how are yourself, man? What's the matter with you, man? Everything alright, man. My name is Officer Smiley, you know. You know what I mean?
No.
Officer Smiley.
No shake, no.
How are you,
Talk to him. You can't talk to him. You not shake no police hand.
Alright, big boy. Say, the same time I tell you about the truck. Remember the truck? Remember the big truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's that more I'm talking about, making know about. Mommy, alright, man. Truck. Mommy, we soon talk, here.
I'm a big boy, no more.
Understand? I them the conversation, yeah? Just, so smile now. Smile and show us your smile. Yeah, so, big boy, listen to me now. Listen to me carefully. My reputation as a police officer is on the line. I mean, I want you, cause none of that will affect my reputation as a police officer. My name is Officer Smiley, but guess what I go on? You see, situation will happen up there with you and blah blah. I want you to tell them, if they ask you a question, that what happened was I was reaching for my phone and she just grabbed the gun and then one little stick hook my foot and me drop. Alright? You hear me say?
Me no fit tell them say, yeah, blah blah take a gun for it.
No. You can't
But
tell
you
them
have to
say she
tell
get the gun, but guess how she get the gun? It's like when we grab the phone, she went just grab me right away, right? And I was looking somewhere else. You understand?
So if you tell them say I'm me, they take a phone and blow, take a gun from you and kick in him.
Make sure say you just let them know say I slip and she just grab the gun, right? I was going for my phone and she just grab the gun. And one little stick when they right close to the area and I drop. You understand that? And I ask me accent. Tell me. You understand that? So just remember now. You understand? So
Oi, enough with my son now. You're there just for too long. Come, go on inside. Go on in. Boy, your friend.
So I can have a second with you. Just a second. You know that there's a ice cream parlor down the road. I don't know if you want me to invite you to have a little gathering. I don't know if it's possible. If
Me look like me hungry to you?
I didn't say that, man. But
me no want no ice cream from you.
No ice cream
at
at
all? You see uno policeman, me know which ice cream you like. Me no like it.
No, I'm not in those things.
Go on here.
I'm not in those things, but you know what I mean? But it's just a friendly visit.
Go on, you come to big boy.
Big boy, remember the big boy.
Go on.
Alright, big boy, we
you
shall
come to big boy and lecture like a
fool.
fool. Go on here.
We talk. Alright?
Go on here.
Go and stay down there.
Watch out. That's my dear look if you ever.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Honor the plum tree. See it? The plum almost done. But season 1 finish. So we're going to step to season 2. You know what I mean? So thanks for watching and hope he bring back some good memories, some bad memories, but his life, you know what I mean? So we get enough beat when it's small. We want to change that thing said we because it's just the way we grow here, you know what I mean, in Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. We have a lot of lessons that we learn, and because of all those teaching of our parents has allowed us to be better person. You know what I mean? Because mom and dad beat us, but not because they're cruel, but it's the fact that we have to learn. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So that was good. You know what I mean? So thanks for watching 12 episode. You know what I mean? That's season 1. So you ready for season 2? Let me know.
Paradise nation, which are born. Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry.
Big boy, you come like I know you don't know for your woman time. You not do it again. You not do it again.
She say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship reading onward. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey. Just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Past that boy preaching, the world is not reaching.
Oh, look right here, son.
Be a church. But you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a
Boy,
big
I'm not how I am.
Wait, done with you.
It's done.
Oh, big boy,
You're saying fast up, don't you?
playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right?